We're going to open up with a presentation from the team's design lead, Ty Bradley. We have Hayden Portwine Allen here today. We have Adrian Aegis, Daniel Mendiak, and Alexander Demers.
Moonrise is an action-adventure game that takes place in a fantasy forest with sci-fi elements mixed in. So our narrative is, after a test malfunction, you play as a genetic super wolf named Zeev and must fight back against his captors and use the abilities from experiments done to save the rest of the pack. The objective of the game would be to destroy the hunter's generators to breach the facility's security system to save the rest of the pack.
The most important thing, I think learning was like team building, and time management was definitely something that you had to learn, especially collaboration, especially under COVID where we have to deal with communication. It's been real tough.
The Discord server definitely helped, I think, in that aspect. Like having somewhere like that where you can go to people and message them or just add everyone at the same time type of thing was like definitely very key to our communication at the time.
But yeah, I think looking back, just a bonding experience between us all. And I think I would say we're all happy to meet each other because, it's connections down the line, right?